Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can invest your money in this website and get a return of 5%. There's no risk when you invest your money here. Now, you need to sign up first on this website. It does not require you to enter your identity verification documents or even your address. So you just need an email address and enter a password there. Now, here we have the dashboard. This is just a trading dashboard that I have just opened. You can also open it. It is just located here. When you just select this option, you will land on this dashboard, but we don't need to use it. Now, when you want to invest your money here, you first need to deposit it, or after registering using my unique link and getting the bonus, you can invest using it. Now, here you have the profile. This profile here, you just open it. So here we have all the options where you have your wallet, withdraw, buy crypto, what you want here, but we'll be focusing on Vault Pro. So Vault Pro is a place where you just deposit your money and then you earn a return of 5%. You just need to just deposit the money, you just earn that return. So if you want to deposit the money, you just enter the amount here. So you need to have it here so that you deposit. So let's say that the balance is $10 here. You just enter 10, then tap transfer. If you want to take it out here, you just come here, tap here, enter the amount, transfer. So you will be able to withdraw out of this website. But if you don't have money here, make sure that you deposit. You first need to select the currency that you are depositing, and then after doing that, just tap on deposit. If it is BNB, just make sure that you note this network before you copy the address and paste in your crypto website. Also, you can just deposit fiat currencies. If there is a risk of depositing crypto, you can just deposit fiat currencies. And here we have a lot of lists here which you can choose and deposit that fiat currency you can see how the interest is calculated. So you can see all the interest is calculated after 24 hours and is transferred into your Vault account. Here you can just see your total return and all that. So here you can just leave your money there, and then it will just keep growing. So here you can also see that your funds are safe. So that is it. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.